In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Copilot. If you need to log out of your Copilot account, this process is very quick and simple. Whether you're using a shared computer, switching to another account, or just want to make sure your session is closed properly, signing out only takes a few clicks. To begin, open Copilot and make sure you're on the main screen. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. In that area, you should see your profile section. This is usually where your account icon or profile image appears, and it gives you access to account-related options. Go ahead and click on your profile in the bottom left corner. After you click it, a small menu will appear with different options related to your account. Take a moment to look through that menu, and you should see the Sign Out option listed there. When you find Sign Out, click on it. As soon as you do that, Copilot will log you out of your account. That's it. The sign-out process is complete. If you're not seeing the option right away, make sure you click directly on the profile area and not somewhere nearby. In some versions of the app, or depending on your screen size, the menu may look slightly different, but the sign-out option is normally found in that same profile menu. Signing out is especially useful if other people have access to your device, because it helps protect your account and keeps your activity private. It can also be helpful if you're troubleshooting account issues or preparing to sign in with a different account. So just to quickly recap, open Copilot, click your profile at the bottom left, then select Sign Out from the menu that appears. Once you click it, you'll be logged out right away. That's all you need to do to sign out in Copilot.